Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Quail Cove by KB Homes here in the highly desired Summerlin area. Now in this video, we are going to be touring the plan 2226, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Welcome to Quail Cove by KB Homes. This is their newest community here in Las Vegas. Now, just to give you an idea of where we're located, we're here in Summerlin, guys, highly desired area. So the way you get here is you take, if you're on the 215, you exit on Lake Mead. Okay, now this area is really up and coming, guys. You have a bunch of new communities coming out here. A lot of the new builds are going to be like 3-story homes, so you're definitely going to feel it's going to be more of like a city vibe, especially with the urban core being built not too far away. They're definitely trying to make this kind of like a downtown Summerlin. You're going to have like nice tall houses, and it's going to definitely feel like the city. But at the same time, Red Rock is still pretty close. Okay, so Quail Cove offers 4 different floor plans I will have on the screen. Now, they offer floor plans ranging from 1651 all the way up to 2302 square feet. These are all going to be 3-story homes, okay? With the base prices ranging from $469,990 all the way up to $534,990. Now, guys, when you're looking at the base price, just know that the lot premiums and upgrades are not included, so you have to add that, okay? Now, as far as the lot premiums here, it really depends. What I was told is the lot premiums are ranging from about $2,000 all the way up to $49,000. It really depends on the lot. Some of these lots are going to have 5-foot driveways. Other lots are going to be corner lots with full driveways, which is going to be 19-foot driveways, okay? As far as what they're doing here, they are doing mainly building from dirt lot, okay? So KB, that's their specialty. When they buy a house, they want them to pick out all the options. So most of their homes, you can expect like a 6 to 8 month build time. Now, they do have a couple of quick move-in homes. Now with KB, the quick move-in homes are not as quick as other builders. The quick move-in homes here are going to be about like 5 months, okay? A couple things about the community you guys should know. HOA is $95 a month. You have the master plan, which is $60 a month. And then you have the SID assessment, which is going to be $240 that you pay every 6 months, okay? Now the balance for the SID is going to be $7,800. These lots, they don't have a backyard, okay? So in case you were hoping for a small backyard, this community may not be for you. And other than that, yeah, let's get started with the tour. All right, welcome to the plan 2226. Now, this is a 3-story, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price is $524,990. Okay, so 3-story. It also has, I believe you could choose your elevation as well. So different types of elevation. That's just how the exterior looks, okay? Now, again, these lots do not have any like backyard. So if you need a yard, this community might not be for you. But yeah, there's some pretty cool features about this. So we'll check it out. So you got this 8-foot door. Now, great thing. One of my favorite things about these homes as far as standard features go is it is 3 stories, but you're going to have 9-foot ceilings in every floor. Okay, so that is great. Here, you guys. So also too, if you want to know what's upgraded in this model house that we're going to tour, you could go ahead and pause that. And, you know, as we walk around the house, you'll just know those are the upgraded features. Okay, so you have this nice coat closet right in here, right when you walk in. So you have your bedroom downstairs. So you're gonna have your 8-foot door. Right. This is gonna be your bedroom downstairs. This is a full-size bed. So I would say this room is about probably like a 10 by 11 in here. Okay, so it does have its full bath. Now again, guys, having a bedroom downstairs is standard, but that's going to be standard only in the 2 larger floor plans. So the 2226 and the 2302. So here's the guest bath. I mean your bathroom. Yes, guest bath. Okay. So most of these things are optional features that you're seeing. Okay, walk-in shower. Otherwise, I believe it's the shower tub. Also, the flooring is optional. Okay. So the standard cabinets you're gonna have is the maple cabinets as well as granite countertops. Now this is going to be the door to your garage. Okay. So we'll head upstairs. Okay, definitely love this flooring. Okay, so welcome in. So as soon as you walk in, this is what you see. Oh, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful middle floor. Okay, look. Love that you have the 4 pendant lights because this is going to be a wide counter. So having the 4 pendant lights is really nice. Yeah, it's designed really well. So you'll have your coat closet up here. Okay. Now, again, what's going to be standard when it comes to the kitchen, granite countertops. You're going to have like a 4-inch backsplash, that granite backsplash. You'll also have 42-inch maple cabinets. These are going to be optional. All right. The pulls are optional, as well as far as the appliances go, you'll have refrigerator, washer, and dryer is not included, but you'll have the oven, microwave, and the dishwasher. Okay. They're all going to be, it's going to be Whirlpool. So this is going to be your pantry. Okay. So nice large pantry. Beautiful kitchen, optional built-in cooktop right here. Very nice. Love the design. It definitely feels very warm. Okay, so right over here, you're gonna have the powder room. So this is your guest. This is your bathroom that the guests are gonna use. Okay, they even have this nice optional like tile for this wall right here. But yeah, I love that open floor plan. Looks really good. And then of course you're gonna have this balcony. So we're already at a higher elevation right now. So we're definitely gonna have some type of views. Can't promise the strip views. Yeah, that's cool. The accent wall is really neat. Yeah, let's check out the 3rd floor. Now also guys, if you are interested in going to a new build community and you're thinking about going by yourself on your very first visit, do me a favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to go with you. But if you're working with a realtor, at least let them know that you're interested in going to a new build community. Something you don't want to do is you don't want to go to the new build community by yourself, your very first visit, because once you check in, the builder agent is going to ask for your name, your email, and your phone number. Once you give that to them, they won't let you have representation down the road, and you definitely want representation. Builder agents, they look after the builder's best interest, but we look after your best interest. So we make sure the max builder incentives, we try to negotiate for you. We hold the builders accountable, and plus the builders pay the agent fees. So definitely a win-win, no brainer. Make sure you get representation. Okay, so as soon as we walk up, showed you guys the laundry room. So we have this bedroom, and then I'm pretty sure there's gonna be the primary bedroom right over here. I'm guessing too, this is the optional bedroom 4. So you could make this a this loft a bedroom. Okay, so check out the bath that this bedroom would use. Okay, so you can opt for 2 sinks if you'd like. That is an option. Well, looks like we have the optional quartz surround as well. Okay, otherwise it'd be a fiberglass enclosure. Okay, medicine cabinets will be included as well. So welcome to the guest bedroom. Now this bedroom here is definitely going to feel more like a 10 by 10. Okay. So you got your standard closet right there. But yeah, nice loft. Yeah, and with KB's floor plans, a lot of times they let you, you have the ability to change the loft into another bedroom. But, I mean, I don't know, I like lofts. I think lofts really open up that whole like top floor with all the bedrooms. Welcome to the primary bedroom. So this is going to be a king size bed. Nice. You're going to have this nice, really large window. You also have that small window as well. Okay, this is where you'd put your like TV. Let's check it out. We got the primary closet right over here. Yeah, no, that's cool. I'm digging the accent wall. They got like the tile, little plank for the walls. But yeah, check that out. Pretty nice views. You know, again, all this is going to be built out. These are going to be homes. So, but I mean, if you're going to get a lot more on the outskirts, you may be able to see. But I mean, it's kind of hard to say because in the surrounding areas, they're just going to be building a lot of homes. So that's why they can never promise views. Builders can never really promise views, like strip views. Okay, so this is the primary bath. So we got your walk-in shower, your 2 sinks, and then your toilet room. Okay. All right. But yes, let me know what you guys think of the plan 2226. If you guys have any questions at all, if you're curious to know what the incentives are, or if you're just looking for guidance, guys, give me a call, shoot me a text. But until then, I will catch you guys next video.